Mark II, I decided to improve the quality of the video audio. The Sony A99ii has a pretty remarkable video section and has the possibility to register in stereo. Of course, we all know that onboard microphones are not the greatest for all DSLR and SLT for what it matters. So I decided to consider alternatives. In particular, after having seen favorable reviews, I've decided to purchase the MicroLav Plus from Rode, which promises a broadcast quality audio direct to the smartphone, and with a little adapter cable, the SC3, this device is supposed to record directly into the camera. So when we open the package of the Rode MicroLav Plus, we have pouch, a nice pouch, branded, for easy carry around of the tool, some paperwork, quick start guide, the mic itself with the jack which fits the iPhone. So you have 4 sections here. It's called TRRS jack. They're 3.5 millimeters, and the mic itself with a little windshield. There is a clip for attaching the mic to the body, and this clip has a little metal loop here which allows to loop the cable in such a way that the noise can be minimized. A little strap, branded, and that's all about the setup. What to say about the MicroLav Plus? This is an evolution of a previous version which was called MicroLav. This is a microphone with omnidirectional microphone capsule, which means it collects the audio from all directions. It's compatible with iOS devices, iPhone and Android smartphones, and among other features, it appears that the quality of the audio has been much improved. In particular, the background noise has been virtually eliminated. The cable is fairly sturdy, made of Kevlar, and should resist pretty much various stress, so seems to be fairly durable. So the length of this cable is not exceptional. I would say 1 meter or so, or 80 centimeters. And response frequency is in the range of 60 Hz to 18,000 Hz. It works with a dedicated app from iOS. The app is called Rode Rack and costs 4.99 euros. For Android, there are many other options. It's not mandatory to stick to the Rode app. Let's see how this mic sounds versus onboard camera mics. This is a microphone test. The microphone of A99 Mark II is at about 1 meter distance, and this is the recording of the camera. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. This is a micro test. Microphone is at about 1 meter distance. So 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. This is the test with Rode microphone at 1 meter distance. Now we get it closer. Now, second test, the camera is still at 1 meter distance and I am wearing the Rode mic. Test, 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 ABC, 1, 2, 3. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, ABC. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. This is the audio of the Rode mic attached to the body, and this is the in-camera recording of the A99 Mark II. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, ABC. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, ABC. And now I'm moving away the mic. I'm putting it at about 1 meter distance, exactly where the camera is. And we repeat the test. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, ABC. Test, 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 1, 2, 3, ABC. Now, keeping about the same loudness of my voice, I move about 5 meters away. Now I am 5 meters away in a closed room, and this is the sound test. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Test, test, test. I'm moving closer to the camera. I am at about 3 meters. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Test, test, test. So far, my primary audio recording system has been the Rode VideoMic Pro, which is pretty good. Let's see how does it compare with the MicroLav. For this test, we use the Rode VideoMic Pro mounted on the Sony A99 Mark II, and we use the MicroLav Plus mounted on the iPhone. So this is a test of the audio recorded at 1 meter distance for both mics. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now I move away about 5 meters. And this is the audio recorded from the exact same position. And 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now I come closer. I stop at about 3 meters. Now I'm stopped at about 3 meters. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now we conduct the next test with the Rode VideoMic Pro mounted on the A99, and I'm carrying the Rode MicroLav Plus attached on my shirt. This is how does it sound at 1 meter distance. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now I'm moving away at 5 meters. I still have the slow Rode mic mounted on my body, and the A99 is at 5 meter distance. This is how does it sound like. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. I'm coming closer. I stop at 3 meters. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now, the last test we can perform is with background noise. So both mics are kept in the same position, and what I can try doing is to put background noise. So this is a football match in the background. I am at 1 meter distance. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now let's try 5 meter. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now let's try now with the function of noise or gain activated on the VideoMic Pro, and let's try with 1 meter distance and background noise. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. The VideoMic Pro has a gain of plus 20 now. Let's try at 5 meters. This is the voice from 5 meter with background noise. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. Now the last try we can do is to record the audio without changing the setting on the A99. So the VideoMic Pro is mounted while I'm carrying MicroLav Plus on my body. 5 meter distance and background noise. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, ABC, test, test, test.